Hey everybody, so I just ordered some stuff from Banana Republic and I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I just opened up the packaging and now I'm gonna open up the actual packaging and try it on. Banana Republic is awesome. I remember as a kid, woo, that's a strange fabric. I remember as a kid, I was like, when I'm rich one day, I'm gonna buy clothes from here. Because it just looks so fancy from the outside. And I still can't afford like the real expensive stuff like the blazers, but if you wait and you look for a really good deal, you can find something good. So I got this for about $35. It is the silk cashmere black v-neck sweater. Thank you, Ashley Weston. She's a YouTuber for her fashion advice. Otherwise, I would never consider wearing this. So there you go. I think it fits pretty well. It's somewhat tight on me, but the fabric is fantastic. It's very smooth. It's very thin. I actually bought 3 black v-neck sweaters, cotton, from Gap. They were on sale. I got them for $5 a piece. They were on like the massive discount rack, and they all broke in like 2 or 3 weeks. The fabric was super thin and it was cotton, so it wasn't really good. Now this one, it's a little bit too thin, so I'm a little scared, but it's a much higher quality because it's Banana Republic and it's not cotton, it's cashmere. So, I mean, it's so light on me. And my arms are very tight, which is usually... It's usually too loose on my arms when I buy clothing, so this is nice. I'm wondering if it's a little too tight. I hope it'll probably loosen up once I give it a wash. But I love the color, it's black. It ends where it should here, and it's pretty good in the back. It's fairly smooth, but still a little bit rough. I like it. Yeah, if you just wait, sometimes you find good deals. This is actually, it was on sale, and usually you don't get stuff that's luxury like this on sale. It's usually like the stuff they want to get rid of, but for whatever reason, Banana Republic had this on sale, and then they always have a 40% off site-wide deal, but it went up to 50%, so I got a little 10% extra, and it was already on sale for in the sale section. So there you go. It's 75% silk and 20% cotton. In fact, it's probably the first item I've bought that is silk. That's like a pretty damn luxury product that I got for pretty cheap, to be honest. One day I'm gonna be able to afford their blazers and like all their clothing and just be a all-out baller. But for now, I mean, I just love the bargains. I'll still be a bargain hunter even when I'm rich. So this is my first polo shirt from there. I usually get the cheap polos, but this was also on sale. So it's my first polo from Banana, and I gotta try it on. This is also very like, it's even more smooth than the other one. It has a nice luxury feel to it. I believe this is the Pima cotton, but it's a very smooth Pima cotton. When I'm super rich, I'm gonna get the silk or rayon polo shirts, but for now, I'm going with this one, which is just cotton, but it feels like silk in a way. it fits well, you know. It has this band at the end which wraps your arms together. Usually, most don't, so your sleeves flare out because they're too big. But now it wraps nicely on my arms. You don't want it too loose or too tight, and it's a good fit. It ends like a little under mid tricep, which is good. In terms of width, I got the small in both of these, and I'm usually a small for Banana Republic. But as you can tell here, it's a little bit too wide here. I'd like to have like an inch or less on my torso. This is about almost 3 inches, but also you have to keep in mind this material is very stretchy. So I really hope this shrinks a bit in the wash. I heard their luxury line shrinks a lot in the wash. You have to order a size up or two. This isn't their luxury line, I don't think. So, well, let me check. Is it the luxury? I bought one that's the luxury line, and I don't know if it's in yet. So this one is the... Oh, this is the Luxury Touch Polo. So I bought one that's like a tech stretch fit and then the standard cotton fit. So if this is the luxury fit that people are talking about, it will shrink a size in the wash, which will make it more of a good fit for me. I think it's a bit too loose in the waist area. This is the Luxury Touch Polo. And the material for this is, let's see here. It doesn't say here. Maybe it says on the bottom. Ah, it does. The material here is 100% cotton. So overall, I'm fairly happy with these. We will see if they shrink or get bigger. And they were a good deal.